morning everybody. As you can see, we are loading with some metals. We have more to come to load me more metals, and after that we are going to hit the load towards Austria. So let's get into this.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Have to replace this guy. Okay guys, so this is how 24 tons of steel looks like. This is our whole load, and I've come to show you how I have put edge protectors just in case, to be sure that it is not going to harm our ratchet straps, and I've come to verify my ratchet straps. It's very important at the cargos which are heavier, because it can get loose, and you don't want definitely that your ratchet straps to get loose. So I verified them, they are okay, as you can see. It's really good that periodically to come upstairs and verify your ratchet straps. It's enough if you verify these two, and if they are okay, the rest of the ratchet straps are going to be okay. So I'm going to ask why that post doesn't work, because as you can see there are two places at this wash, and I'm going to go and ask if I can go there, or one of my colleagues, because I have ahead of me two trucks. So as you can see, we have a very big traffic jam as always. On our back, next to us, in front of us. By the way, I am not very pleased how the truck wash has become. As you can see, here are a lot of places where my mirrors doesn't look really clean, but next time I'm going to go to another place as well. You can see here also on my window. Yeah, so next time we're going to choose another place, because I have, so now they have opened like two places, so next time. We are waiting here in the quay, because you know, here we are very near to the border crossing station, and that's why we aren't a part of the Schengen, so they won't let us enter in Hungary without checking out the documents and the cargos and of course the migrants. So yeah, that's why we are waiting. Like they have open, like, I don't know, they have 5 portals, and I heard that it is open 2 of them, so yeah, we are waiting.